there, welcome back. So this is part 2 in a 2-part video of the white and gold collection. If you haven't seen part 1, when you finish watching this video, check out our playlist and go and watch part 1. So we're going to make a single stemmed vase, or you could probably put a couple of nice, 2 or 3 nice little beautiful single stem flowers in, and this tray. And we're going to use, that's a sneaky peek of the previous video, looks how the effect we're going for, and that's from the previous video. Vista white pigment paste, golden mica from the Be Inspired kit, and some glitter as well from the Be Inspired wall decor kit. The Be Inspired wall decor kit we have actually done an unboxing of. That's in our playlist. Why not go over and have a look? All the supplies within it are from Jules at Resin Jules and Helena at Resin Detra Supplies. Now, I don't actually use the little tub of glitter. I do use the big packet of glitter. Both of those came in the kit. They have sold out of the kit, but if you contact Jules at Resin Jules, if you direct message her, you can find her on Instagram, or she does have a website, and she has said they may be able to put together a kit for you if you're still interested. Very good value for money, very quickly shipped to us, and very good quality products, and so much packed into the kit. So we're just dividing up the mica powder and the glitter and the white pigment paste across these 3 different cups. Yes, they have been used before for video number 1 in this white and gold collection, because don't forget there's part 1 video and this is part 2 video. They are completely cured, but I didn't want to waste them. I wanted to reuse them, so that's what I've done. So I'm just mixing up the beautiful gold mica into this clear resin. So the resin we're using here is a 1:1 mixing ratio. It's made by Tea Expert. It's our go-to brand that we're currently using. So here we go. Don't forget, when you're using resin, make sure that you wear gloves, you wear the respirator mask, and you work in a well ventilated area. Now look at that glitter. Predominantly gold in colour, more of an older gold colour rather than a bright vibrant, and then with some pops of the holographic glitter in it. And here we go with the lovely milky white Vista pigment. We are literally, I think we've literally just run out of that. So time to reorder. So just carefully mixing it up, making sure it's all really well incorporated into the resin. There you go. So this is our tray mold. Now we've used this in the past and noticed that it needs support. So what you can see through there is 2 pieces of wood that my partner in craft, should we say, in our craft world of Lottie Jasmine Designs here, my co-creator Wayne, he has fashioned that together with a little bit of thin pieces of wood and some duct tape. Duct tape fixes everything. So what I've done is I've poured over the glitter, the resin with the glitter, the white pigment resin mix, and then that beautiful sumptuous gold coloured mica powder resin. Just doing it again in layers, and then all I'm going to do is give it a bit of a swirl. I'm going to go all the way around the edge of the tray first, making sure there's no any little trapped air pockets or bubbles. And there we go, look, a squiggle and a wiggle, a squiggle and a wiggle, or even a swizzle and a wiggle. I'm really sorry about the wobbly camera. I had quite a bit in the previous video of that going on. I need to position it somewhere else. So this is the vase mold. This is the one I decided to use. We do have a set of 3 of these, and this is the one where it's faceted, but it's not as heavily faceted or detailed, because I didn't want it to detract away from what these beautiful resin was going to do. So just layering it up, making sure that I do separate on most occasions, the golden glitter mix from the gold mica with the white pigmented resin. Look at that. I love watching that, the way it just falls over the top, down the sides, and then sparkles, twinkles in the resin. So almost there, we're almost to the top. Almost. Don't forget, if you're ever making projects and you have leftover resin, don't just throw it away. Make sure that you've got a couple of little moulds to the side and you just fill them up. Here we go. So I'm doing the drop swirl technique with this one, trying not to get in a mess. But, you know, getting in a bit of a mess. So then just filling it up to the top with a bit more gold. I would love to see this whole set just done in gold, actually. That would be beautiful, I think. But I probably would use a gold metallic powder rather than mica. I would use an actual metallic powder, not a mica powder. And then possibly fill it with gold pigmented resin as well. Maybe I'll do that. Wow. That would be a statement. That would be a statement in any room. As I said, this is the second part. This video number 2 of the series. No more after this. This is it. This is the final bit, the 2 pieces of this white and gold collection that we have done. And here we go. This is about the following day, actually, I think. I am very impatient when it comes to resin. So just peeling this away. It's very sparkly underneath. Now resin don't forget, has a mind of its own. It's going to mix or not mix as much as it wants to. But it came away really nice and clearly from the mould. Here we go. I love it. I love it that way. Look at that on the sides and the edges. Now there's no little trapped air bubbles or anything. I love it, love it, love it. Look at that. Now, I love that. That's giving me, it reminds me of marble. Some of these lovely marbles that you can see, you know, marble as in like quarried marble. They're beautiful. It would look stunning actually in a white bathroom. This whole set would look stunning in a bathroom. So that's it with the tea light holder from video number 1. That's it with the base of the lotion and soap dispenser that we did. Just showing you how well it mixes in. So here we are demoulding this beautiful vase. Now you could put some single stem white roses. Only sort of 3 maximum, I would say, or buds. If they were still in bud, not quite open yet, they'd look lovely in this. Absolutely lovely. Or just a single stemmed rose, maybe with a little bit of green foliage, only a little, and it would look stunning. Or even some dried flowers. It's totally your choice. You could bring these out at Christmas time and you could have holly in it, you know, some sprigs of holly decorated maybe with some baubles or something like that. Yeah. We recently actually made some Christmas style baubles for Christmas in July video, part of a large collaboration with lots of other crafters and artists. Why not go and check that out and have a look at some of their videos and ideas. I couldn't quite get my head around Christmas in July, so it's summertime with a Christmas twist, if that makes sense. Anyway, look at this. Look at that gold. Just something in the way it does, the way it's mixed in with the clear resin and then in with this white. Sort of ethereal almost, but look at that. I love this. Beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. That's 3 lots of beautifuls. So here's the tray. Back again. And here's the vase. So those are the 2 pieces from this particular video that we have done. Here we are with the base of the soap dispenser or reed diffuser, whatever you want to use it. There's the lid. I haven't glued it down yet. I'm still waiting. I was waiting for this final project, this final part, this video of this collection. And there's the tea light holder and there's those beautiful bangles because I thought, why not? So here's some close-ups, close-up shots. Look at that. Look at the way that glitter just twinkles in the light. It almost looks sort of misted, doesn't it? Yeah. Beautiful. Sorry, I went slightly out of focus there. But I do think that vase is beautiful. It is stunning. My apologies, I've repeated myself using that word beautiful so many times in this video. But sometimes words do fail me and I don't know quite what are the descriptive ones to use. Now here is the tray. well, what can I say? Liquid gold on a white marble background, maybe. Touches of those little bits of sparkle just suddenly popping as I'm going over it there with the camera. That is not a special effect on the camera at all. That is what that glitter does. And just from another angle here, coming up the tray, as you can see it there. Just thought it deserved a bit more appreciation than just having the usual one outro video, you know, shot of, you know, the pieces that we've made in this particular video. And here we are with the two of them together. A little sneaky peek of the lotion or soap dispense that we made as well there. It's gorgeous. And here we go. This is the final collection in its complete state. Let us know if you've liked it. What colours would you use if you were making this? Don't forget to give us a like, a thumbs up, a share and a subscribe. Hit that notification bell and we will see you again in a few more days' time with another video. Take care everyone. Bye-bye.